Oh man, I forgot I parked it close to the wall. Oh, now I gotta crawl through this side. Oh, it's gonna be a mission. I just ate a big old DiGiorno pizza. Oh, that is not weight reduction. Oh, there's an e-brake in my butt. Oh. Woo! Time to wake up the neighbors. It's currently 10:16 right now. And we're gonna go on a late night mission. About a 40 minute drive to meet up with one of the homies that has an HR single turbo Z, same turbo kit as me. We're gonna go catch a few runs in because we've been wanting to, just to see whose car is faster. I know his AFR is like spot on and my AFR is not spot on like that. So he has way better fuel than me. I'm so down. See how it goes. I'm excited. It's gonna be fun. All right, I'm sorry, neighbors. That window up there, way up there with the light. She always looks at me when I start my car. Because man, it smells bad in here. In this small garage, the fumes literally burn your eyes like if you're cutting onions. Woo. It's bad. Damn, it's so loud. Oh, look, she's peeking. She opened her window. I'm sorry. I'm a pussy?
Yeah, you're pussy.
Why?
Because you won't give me a ride.
I don't even know you.
Fuck you.
Okay, thank you. Drunk ass guy comes up to my window and asks me if I could give him a ride up the hill. Alright, we're here with the guides. See how this goes. Should be fun. So sick. His car sounds so good. You can hear the spool a lot more than my car. being right next to each other. Hell yeah, so sick. It's not getting any traction. That's the first time too, and that's rare for my car. My car always gets traction. We pulled over right now, and the homie Angelo's Z his AFR is like spot on. It's like 11 to 1140. He said it. My shit's like, my AFR is hitting 13. That's not good. If it's 12.5, that's fine, but anything past that, it's like when it starts leaning out. My AFR is just leaning out, so it's just not getting the fuel it needs to keep pushing. You can feel the difference. Like, it feels like it's doesn't want to keep going as hard than when your AFR is like spot on in the 11s, you know? If you have a boosted car, you know what I mean, but no excuses. Other than that, sick ass runs, so much fun. This is my first time catching a run with another boosted 350Z that was like really good run. We're both tuned by Admin. If you guys want to check out his build, I'll tag his Instagram down in the description, and then also in the video and the runs, so you guys can go check it out. It's super sick. That thing's almost at 200k miles on the HR stock block. That's crazy. That's mind-blowing. Yeah, we're done. We caught so many runs, but his car's kind of swaying to the sides. He just got some new welds, some 15s, and some fat-ass tires, and the car's swaying on him at high speeds. My car would do that too. Ever since I got my alignment and my front lower ball joints replaced, because those were blown out, my front lower control arms, my car goes so straight. It's like perfect now. It doesn't have any swaying, so that could be it too. But a lot of you guys know how that feels when your car starts swaying when you're running like Mickey Thompson's or something. Any little crack on the road, those tires will literally take you with the crack. It's crazy. Alright, we're all done here. It's already like 2 a.m. Man, this car has been so good to me since 2017. Drove 40 minutes out to Mexico, of course. Pulls after pulls for miles. And I drove it 40 minutes back home.